Next reaction, Williamson synthesis. So what is Williamson synthesis? It is a preparation of ether. What is Williamson synthesis? It is preparation of ethers from alcohol, or it is preparation of ether with the help of alkyl halide. So it is two-step reaction. In the step 1, we are preparing nucleophile, generation of nucleophile in the step 1, and in step 2, attack of nucleophile is taking place. Here, generation of nucleophile, and here attack of nucleophile. So how reaction proceed? When alcohol reacted with sodium metal, alcohol shows acidic nature, it removes hydrogen gas to form salt, that is RO minus and Na. This is called as sodium alkoxide. Called as sodium alkoxide. This sodium alkoxide contains oxygen as a negative part that will attach on alkyl halide containing alkene group by substitution reaction. What will we get? By substitution reaction we will get ROR plus sodium halide as a byproduct. So what is the name of product? Ether obtained as a product in this reaction. It may be same, R may be same or differ, that doesn't matter. So we'll observe the example of, we'll study the next example of reaction when CH3ONA, that is nucleophile, which can be generated in first step. Sodium methoxide, what is the name of molecule? Sodium methoxide, methanol reacted with sodium metal to form sodium methoxide. Sodium methoxide reacted with CH3Cl, methyl chloride. What will we get? ROCH3OCH3 will obtain as a product. The example of anisole can be asked to the examination. So what is, how will you prepare anisole? How will you prepare anisole from phenol? Preparation of anisole from, example of preparation of anisole from phenol can be asked to the examination. So when phenol reacted with sodium hydroxide or sodium metal, you can use sodium hydroxide or you can use sodium metal. So what will we get? Sodium phenoxide will get, that you already studied in the previous phenolic topic. You will get phenoxide ion. That phenoxide ion can attach on methyl chloride, methyl bromide or methyl iodide. You can take any one example. So what will we get? You will get benzene containing OCH3 group, that is anisole, obtained as a product in this reaction. So question may be asked, what are the limitations of Williamson synthesis? Next, limitations of Williamson synthesis. So what are the limitations of Williamson synthesis? See, size of base and size of substrate is the Williamson synthesis reaction. See, these are the two reactions, reaction number 1, reaction number 2. Both the reactions contain sodium alkoxide ion, but here the size of alkoxide ion is larger, here the size of alkoxide ion is smaller. When the size of nucleophile, this is your nucleophile. Nucleophile means anything special that can be attacked, or nucleophile is anything special which is electron rich. See, this nucleophile can easily attack on the smaller substrate. This substrate molecule is very small, so it can be attacked to this molecule to get substituted type of product. CH3 NaX as a byproduct in this reaction, or NaBr as a byproduct in this reaction, you will get substituted product. But what happened in this second reaction? Here the smaller molecule cannot attack on larger molecule. Here the nucleophile is smaller, so it is basic character of nucleophile. So nucleophile cannot show nucleophilic nature, it shows basic nature. So C2H5 acts as a base rather than nucleophile. तो काय करतो? मॉलिक्यूलच्या adjacent carbon वर proton abstract करणार आहे. So what will we get? You will get basic nature of this molecule. C2H5ONA will abstract this hydrogen to form C2H5OH as a byproduct, and this hydrogen will shift here. So we will get CH2 double bond. Remaining molecule is same. Br will departure in this state. So NaBr as a byproduct in this reaction. Next reaction, preparation of ethers from alcohols and diazomethane. Diazomethane means CH2N2. Azo group is nitrogen, double bond nitrogen is azo, and it is derivative of methane, so it is diazomethane. So diazomethane can abstract this proton, and at the same time this O minus will attach on this So abstract the proton. So what will we get? ROCH3. ROCH3 at the product, and nitrogen will be involved in this reaction. So what is the example of this reaction? When CH3OH methanol reacted with CH2N2. So what will we get? CH3OCH3. When ethanol C2H5OH reacted with CH2N2. So what will we get? C2H5OCH3. This is the preparation of ether from alcohol and diazomethane. HBF4 is used as a solvent for this reaction. But what is the drawback of this reaction? This reaction can only generate methyl ether as a product. See, methyl ether, one side of the molecule of ether is only blocked by CH3 group. So we cannot obtain other types of ether. We can obtain only methyl ether. Means dimethyl ether, ethyl methyl ether, or any methyl ether can be produced with the help of this type of reactions.